27th of May 2013 on one of Jay Swede's alfalfa fields where we put some fungicide on first cutting. Getting ready to harvest it here around noon. This trial, these strips, you can see where the orange flags start. Go all the way down to the end of the field, and each strip is about 4 acres in length. 4 treatments, untreated control, insecticide only, which we didn't put on here at first cutting, and fungicide only, and then a fungicide plus insecticide treatment. This field is testing BASF products, so Quadris and no, not Quadris, Headline, and it'll be Respect, whereas another field will be looking at Syngenta products, so Quadris and Warrior. Again, just getting ready to harvest on-farm fungicide trial on Haylage.